Two short-billed Corella cockatoos on a pre-dawn flight over the mine. It's easy to recognize them by their shape, picked up on the Psionics Aurora Pro camera. However, it's not so easy to make out what these next two objects are. Here you can see the clearly defined outline of the two Corellas in flight. In this next image, there is much less definition. Just two orbs of light, one of which changes color in the following image. The last two images are the same as the previous two, with the entity highlighted that I believe is the mimic. These entities are similar to those that are responsible for mimicking drones and other aircraft since late 2024 in the skies over the USA. I will be releasing more information on this subject in future videos.